Namaskaram. In today's class, we are going to discuss some sample questions issued by CBSE. Amritya Seth is a programmer who has recently been given a task to write a Python code to perform the following binary file operations with the help of two user-defined functions or modules. Functions are given here. Add students to create a binary file called student.dat containing student information, roll number, name and marks out of 100 of each student. Okay, this add student function is to write into a binary file. Second one, get students function. It is to display the name and percentage of those students who have a percentage greater than 75. In case there is no student having percentage greater than 75, the function displays an appropriate message. The function should also display the average percent. These types of questions we have done in binary file 5-mark questions, but here you have objective type questions from this portion. Okay, the question continues. He has succeeded in writing partial code and has missed out certain statement. So, he has left certain queries in command lines. You as an expert of Python have to provide the missing statements and other related queries based on the following code of Amritya. Answer any 4 questions out of 5 from the below mentioned questions. Program code is given here. Import pickle. Function add students. Function add students is for what? For writing student details into the binary file. See, next line, a blank is given. Here you need to fill statement to open the binary file to write data. Okay. Then while true, values are accepted, list is created. Then again blank line, second statement, to write the list L into the file, write operation. First we will solve this portion, then we will come to the get students function. Okay. First question. Which of the following commands is used to open the file student.dat for writing only in binary format, marked as #1 in Python code? That we have seen already. Okay, see the options. F equal to open student.dat wb, file name is student.dat, it is correct. Then to open a file in write mode as well as in binary mode, what we have to give as file mode? wb. It is correct. So option A is the correct answer. Then what is wrong with this option B? Here only W is given. It will open the file as text file. Then what about option C? Here the file mode is given as WB plus. That means the file will open for writing as well as for reading. Here it is mentioned clearly for writing only. So you cannot use the option C. Then the next one, here the file mode is given as W plus, that is this will open a text file for reading and writing. Clear? So the answer is option A itself. Then go for the second question. Which of the following commands is used to write the list L into the binary file student.dat, marked as #2 in the Python code? We will see what is there in #2. See, this one we have to fill. Statement to write the list L into the file. Which function we use to write into a binary file? Function is dump. And this dump function is in which module? Pickle module. So you have to give pickle.dump. Then what are the arguments of this dump function? First argument is what to write. That is, here we need to write the list L. So L is the first argument. Okay. Then next, word to write. It is into the file student.dat. Here student.dat is pointed by the file pointer F, because we have used F equal to open in statement 1, and also it is given F dot close here. So we can understand the name of the file pointer is F itself. Cap letter F you have to give here. Okay. We will see the options. This one, first option, pickle.write. Write is not the function for writing in binary file. Again write here. Then see option C is pickle.dump L, F. Yes, that is our answer. Pickle.dump L. This list we are going to write. So the first argument is the list. Then the file pointer, here it is F. Okay. Then for question number 3, we will see the function getStudents. Def getStudents, total equal to 0, count rec equal to 0, count above 75 equal to 0. 3 variables are initialized to 0. Then open the file using with open student.dat rb reading and binary as F. Name of the file pointer is F. Then while true, exception handling, try except block. A statement is missing here. This statement is to read from the file. What statement you have to give for reading from the file? What is the function? It is load. And this load function is in which module? Pickle module. So pickle.load. Then what is the argument of this load function? It is the file pointer F. This means we are going to read the content of the file which is pointed by the file handle F. Then this load function will return a record from the file. Then that will be stored in a variable. So what variable name we have to use for storing the result? See, here R of 2 is given. That means the name of the variable is R. So what you have to give here? R equal to pickle.load F. Okay. We will see the options. Okay, third question. First option, R equal to pickle.load F. Yes, that is our answer. We have seen already. So our answer is option A itself. Okay. Then next question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the file access modes? First option, R plus opens a file for both reading and writing. File object points to its beginning. Is it correct? Yes. The file mode R plus opens a file for both reading and writing. And the file object points to its beginning. Okay. It is correct only. Here you can see option A is correct. Then we will see what is wrong with other statements. See the option B. W plus opens a file for both writing and reading. That is correct only. Send it. Then see the second part. Adds at the end of the existing file if it exists. Is it true? No. When you open a file in write mode, it will truncate or erase the content of the file, then write the new content. It will not add the content at the end of the file. So this portion is wrong. Then we will see the next part also. Creates a new one if it does not exist. That is true only. If a file with that name doesn't exist, it will create a new file. Okay. So option B is wrong because of this statement. Then come to the next option. WB opens a file for reading and writing in binary format. Is it correct? No. File mode W opens a file for writing in binary format, not for reading. If it is for both reading and writing, we have to specify WB plus. Okay. Then the remaining part, overwrites the file if it exists. That is true only. File mode W overwrites the already existing content. Then next section, creates a new one if it does not exist. That also true. Okay. So the option C is wrong because of this first statement. Then go for the next option. A opens a file for appending. That is correct only. Then the remaining part, the file pointer is at the start of the file if the file exists. Is it true? No. The file pointer will be at the end of the file when it opens in append mode. then only it is possible to append or add the new content at the end of the already existing content. So when you open a file in append mode, the file pointer will be at the end of the file. Clear? So the option D is wrong because of the second statement. Okay? First part is correct. So which one is fully correct? Option A. We have one more question in second part. Which of the following statements correctly explain the function of seek method? What is the use of seek function? Seek function is used to change the position of the file pointer or the file handle to a given position. That means in a file you can move the file pointer just like what we are doing for a cursor, then do the file operations. For moving the file pointer from one position to another, we are using seek function. Okay? We will see the options. First one tells the current position within the file. Is it correct? No. Which function is used for that? It is the tell function. Okay? Then next one determines if you can move the file pointer or not. No, it is not correct. Then option C indicates that the next read or write occurs from that position in a file. That also wrong. Then option D moves the current file position to a given specified position. Yes, that is correct. So the correct answer is option D.